Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope all of you are well. K.Z Kitchen says welcome in its kitchen. Today I am gonna make very beautiful and gorgeous recipe which is BEFFIGGIES cheese bread. Inshallah ta'ala you will definitely like it. Here I have made my eggless dough. How did I make it? Let's see its flashback. I used some cooking oil, sugar, salt, yeast, baking powder, lukewarm water, then mix, and then I added bread flour, and then I give it rest about 2 hours, and then that was fermented. I have told you this recipe, or I have shared this recipe in my previous recipe or video. You can search my channel and see it. Here I have some beef slices. You can see the thickness. Okay, now I will season it with little bit salt just, and I will leave these about 10 minutes. About 10 minutes I will grill these beef slices. Okay, leave these. Here I have taken my griller and I have greased this with butter or cooking oil. Place your beef slices in it and grill this about 7 minutes. Those would be completely cooked after 7 minutes. Flip these and cook completely. Okay, now these are ready. Let's keep them out from our griller and leave this for getting cool. Here I am gonna use my 2 important ingredients. First I am gonna use my Knorr chicken cube and also blue band margarine here. Place these on your chopping board and leave. Also I am gonna grill my apple ground here. I have taken 2 or 3 and sliced thin. Spread these in your griller and leave about 5 to 6 minutes. Let's cut their strips. Now these are completely cooled. Okay, you have to cut like this. Don't cut very thin strips. Okay. This recipe is definitely very mouth-watering recipe. You will inshallah ta'ala make it your home and enjoy yourselves. Now these are done. Here I have cheddar cheese. It's almost 1 cup, and also I have cottage cheese here. It's about half cup. I'm gonna add in it, and I will add my beef strips also in it. Okay, now these are ready. Let's add in my cheese and beef strips. Here I have 1 capsicum. Also I'm gonna grill it. I have greased the pan also. Okay, these are ready. Add this also. Now add 1 or 2 tablespoons your blue band margarine, 1 Knorr chicken cube here. I'm gonna mince it. Okay, now also I'm gonna add Young's mayonnaise. It's plain mayonnaise. It's about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna use my hands here. Mix gently or mix well your ingredients so we could make their balls. Okay, now our BEFFIGGIE mixture is ready. BEFFIGGIE cheese mixture is ready. Let's make their balls like this. Follow the steps. Same. Okay. Okay. Now these all are ready. Keep it in a side. Here I have 1 cup spinach puree. I have shared its recipe. Before this, I have added mayonnaise, Chinese salt, and also I'm gonna use here some basil leaves and rosemary leaves and some green chilies and some olive oil and white vinegar. It's up to your taste, but I used 2 tablespoons here and also 1 tablespoon honey. Mix very well, and our spinach dip is almost ready here. Okay, our bread dough is ready. Let's roll it. First, I'm spreading with my hand, and now I'm rolling with the help of rolling pin. Now it's according to our requirement. You can check the thickness, and we have to cut its triangles. Follow the same process. Don't miss any step. Now I'm gonna cut its pointy side, and I will give it 3 cuts, and center cut would be our desired cut where we have to flip our bread dough. You can see. Just keep following the process. You can flip it many times, but 2 or 3 would be enough. You can only flip it one time also. Okay, I will complete all of these triangles, and then I will place my BEFFIGGIES cheese balls here, and I'm gonna drop my spinach dip on the top of these balls. Okay, I will make 2 types of breads here. You can see first method here. Follow after me. Seal every edge. Place lemon slice or chili slice. Now it's our second. Let's see how did I make these. Cross your bread dough and flip it over. Now place your lemon or chili. Again, flip in cross and flip it over, and seal your every edge or opening point. Now place your lemon or chili. Okay. Like this. Keep sealing the points so our dip couldn't out from the dough. Now it's also ready. Mashallah, these are looking very nice and beautiful, and also these are very healthy and delicious and quick and easy recipe this is. Now I'm gonna repeat my first method, which was blunt. Okay, flip it, and first flip its pointy side and then flip over these 2 sides. You can place it anywhere. Okay, now these are ready for baking. I have baked my previous breads. Let's see. Mashallah, mashallah, these are looking too much beautiful and pretty and delicious, and also they are well baked. You can see. If you liked my video, definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I have shared my beautiful recipe with you friends. I hope you are gonna try it at your homes, and inshallah ta'ala your feedback would be positive, inshallah ta'ala. Okay viewers, now it's time to say Allah Hafiz. So you can see the inside of my bread. Keep enjoying my recipe and see you soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.